Playtime! Welcome, dear viewers, to the KiddoToy Playtime channel. Exciting adventures with your favorite characters are waiting for you here. Get ready for amazing stories, games, and lots of pleasant surprises. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share your delight with your friends. Let's dive into the world of fun and learning together.
Kids, today we have a real adventure on the farm. Are you ready to learn a lot of new things?
Yes, Grandma. We are so excited to start this exciting adventure.
Wow, there are so many animals here. What is the name of this beautiful horse, Yo-Yo?
This is a horse named Chocolate.
And these chickens probably lay eggs every day.
We can learn to take care of animals. Let's help feed the chickens and take care of the sheep. I'll take over feeding the chickens and Tom Tom can play with the sheep. Yay! Let's play. Get the sound of the farm. Hooray! I love this game. Let's get started.
It sounds like a chicken.
That's right, Tom Tom. Now the next sound.
It's a cow.
That's right, Blippi. We continue.
Great, let's complicate the task. Listen carefully.
Huh? What did sound? Could it be a donkey?
No, JJ, wrong.
Ah, it's a horse.
The next sound.
Oh, it's a dog.
Well done. You really guessed all the sounds of the farm.
Yay! We had so much fun playing Guess the Farm Sounds.
And remember that even fun farm games can be a lesson. This is how we learn and have fun.
Oh no!
What happened to JJ?
I can't find the toys.
Let's make a meeting.
Let's split up and find it.
Yay!
You go look in the garden, and we'll look around the house.
Interesting. I wonder what's inside.
Let's open number 3.
JJ is number 5, not 3. Do you know what color it is?
The color is cyan.
Correct. Is this your JJ toy?
No, it's not my toy.
Let's open the next one at number 1.
It's not here.
Now 4.
No,
Number 3.
there is also no.
And what's the last number, JJ?
The second one. And there is no.
Don't worry, let's go back home. Maybe the parents found it.
Well, JJ, have you found your toy?
No, Mom, I haven't found the toy.
Let's look for it after dinner. Go wash your hands.
Okay, Mom.
Woo.
Hey guys, look what I found in these bushes. I'll go take a look.
Tommy!
Tommy!
Hey, has anyone seen Tommy?
Where could he be? Let's find him quickly.
We will search in that direction, and you search in this direction. Tommy!
Tommy! Tommy! Tommy!
Tommy, where are you? Tommy! 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 Oh, there you are.
I'm here, help! I'm stuck.
Everybody here. Tommy here.
Thank you for coming to look for me. I promise to be more careful next time.
Kids, this was a great lesson about the importance of helping each other. Thank you very much for your attention and active participation. See you again on our channel. Remember that friendship is magic that makes our world brighter. Bye-bye.